Whatever you're doing, hit pause, put the phone on Do Not Disturb, set it aside, and let's take a quick break. So these are my 3 go-to movements when I have been hunching over the computer for hours upon hours. So if you need to press back from the desk, but slide far enough forward in your seat that you can get both feet flat on the ground. And we're going to start with the neck. You'll drop your chin towards your chest, roll your right ear to your right shoulder, and then back through center and left ear to left shoulder. And then a few times on your own, you'll go back and forth these simple movements, finding whatever cadence works for you. And the next time you go right ear to right shoulder, you're going to stay. And that might be plenty. Weight of the head and gravity. Or you can use that right hand right around the temple area to lift the head up and away. And that might be plenty. Or you could slide the left arm out to the side, palm turned down towards the floor. And you can make some small movements with that arm. You could drop it closer towards your body. You can lift it up a little bit. You could slide it out in front of you. Woo, or back behind you. And that's what you're looking for, those spicy spots where you can linger, take a breath, soften something, the jaw, your attitude. And then release the arms if you're using them. Roll your chin back towards your chest. Head over to the second side. Determining if you want to use the weight of the head alone or bring that left arm up. Think about lifting the head up on the diagonal. Maybe right arm joins. You may take some of those small movements with the arm. If you find one of those sticky spots, hanging out for a breath or two. And then releasing the arms, roll your chin back towards your chest, and then lift your head. Okay, movement 2. We're going to get a little bit more into the shoulders. You're going to stretch the arms out wide, and then you're going to wrap your right arm under your left, and you have options. You can grab opposite elbows. You could bring the backs of the hands together or intertwine so those palms touch. And you're going to lift and lower the forearms, or you can add your own movement to it. You could twist, you could side bend, you could be even looser. No one's watching. You can make some figure 8-like motions. The head and neck might get involved again. I like to imagine the arms are trying to move in opposite directions, so I really get that stretch across the scapula. That space between the spine and the shoulder blades that gets very sticky for me. Good. And then release the arms, stretch them out wide, and then we're going to switch. So left arm is on the bottom. Find your variation that works for you. Feel sustainable, skillful, and then take a little bit of movement. Good. All right, let the arms go. Relax the arms, the hands. Whew. One last thing. Movement number 3, we're going to go into the hips and the back. So you're going to cross your left ankle outside your right thigh. And you've got several choices here. You could use that left hand, kind of anchor the thigh down. Notice you're not pressing on the knee, you're closer towards the hip. You might hinge forward at the hips. You could stack the arms on the leg and fold. Some of you might drape your chest over your thighs. You could drop the arms, drop the brain. Good. And then lifting out of the fold, set that left foot down, cross your right ankle. Different side, different story. You might use that right hand and press down. You might hinge forward, maybe keep going if it's useful. Right. And then coming up, set both feet down, take a final breath in, And that deep sigh out. And I hope this was useful. Nothing profound, very simple, but effective movements anytime you need a break. Remember, you don't have to earn it. Take it when you need it. Take it when you want it. And be well.